Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and today's video is about making a shortcut key that I love making and love using them and make life a little easier. So if I wanted to group these three objects around, I have to go Ctrl G, which is almost a two-handed stroke. So I've already made a shortcut key for Ctrl U. Normally you have to go Ctrl U. This time I'm just going to hit the letter U twice. Simultaneously twice, and it ungrouped it. If I want to make a duplicate of these, I'd have to go Ctrl D. I'm just going to hit the letter D twice, and it made a duplicate of them. So I'm going to show you how to make one for Ctrl G. I'm going to group those. I'm going to select those. I'm going to go to Tools, Customization, go to Commands, and you could search down here or use the binoculars, but I've also found it's a little easier to go to Range. Takes just a second, and go to Group, and it'll bring it right up. And then just click on it and go to Shortcut Keys. There's our shortcut key, which is Ctrl G. We're going to create a new one. I'm going to hit G twice. I'm going to sign it, and I'm going to hit OK. Now these are not grouped together right this second, but I'm going to select them. I'm going to GG. And now these items are grouped together. It saves you from taking your hand off your mouse. Even a big fellow like myself, that's a pretty far stretch for Ctrl G. So you have to use both hands. But now you don't. So I'm going to ungroup them with W's. And now you have individuals. Now when you do that, you need to right click right here and customize workspace and export this workspace. And then it hit export, and I'm going to call it Doug2, which I've got them all in. Save and replace it. Yes. So now every time you turn on Corel, those will be in there. Now, if you ever have to do a boot where you have to hit the F8 key and start off from default, all you have to do is go in here, customize workspace, and import that. It'll bring all your work back up to your new workspace. But anyway, give that a shot. DD. A lot easier than hitting Control D. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.